Samsung's big move, One UI 8 unveiled the Galaxy S25 users. In a major development, Samsung has officially launched its stable One UI 8, powered by Android 16, for Galaxy S25 owners. This marks a significant step forward in the world of mobile technology. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung has been working on One UI 8 since July, with a beta version already released for some devices. Now, the stable update is finally here, and it's rolling out to the Galaxy S25 series first. But why is this update so important, and what does it mean for Android users? The Galaxy S25 series gets a boost. As reported by various sources, including Sammy Guru, the Galaxy S25 series is now receiving the much-anticipated One UI 8 update. This update is a game-changer, bringing a host of new features and improvements to these devices. The rollout has begun in Korea and is expected to expand globally within days. It's an exciting time for Galaxy S25 owners as they get to experience the latest Android version with Samsung's unique interface. A global rollout, when and where? The stable One UI 8 update is currently available for those who participated in the beta program. However, Samsung has confirmed that the global rollout has begun, with Damien Wild's Galaxy S25 Ultra in the UK receiving the update. This suggests that the update is already reaching a wider audience. According to Sam Mobile, the update is rolling out to the entire Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and S25 Edge. Samsung has also provided a schedule, indicating that the rollout will continue through at least November. Other regions can expect the update to arrive next week, with the Galaxy S24 series and foldables following suit. Samsung's official statement. In a recent news release, Samsung confirmed the stable One UI 8 rollout for the US market, specifically for Galaxy S25 series devices. The company promises a broader availability for other devices, including the Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy S24 FE, and other selected products throughout October. This is great news for Android enthusiasts, as it shows Samsung's commitment to providing the latest software updates. More on Samsung's One UI 8. Samsung's One UI 8 rollout schedule leaks. https://oneui8/Galaxy phones list. Samsung fixes notifications for Galaxy tablets in One UI 8. 2.5 Google.com/2025-09-04 Samsung Galaxy tablets, One UI 8 notification changes. /9 to 5 Google 2025-09-14 Samsung Galaxy phones need a full redesign if they really want to embrace QI2. Follow Ben for more insights and updates on Samsung and Android. Twitter X, #twitter.com/X15. Blue Sky, issues. Samsung Galaxy phones need a full redesign if they really want to embrace QI2. Follow Ben for more insights and updates on Samsung and Android. Samsung's One UI 8 is not just about software updates. It's a chance for Samsung to showcase its innovation and keep its devices relevant in a highly competitive market. What do you think about Samsung's latest move? Is it a step in the right direction? Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below.